Hey everyone, it's me Fuan from Mega Music World, and today Leapfrog Global just sent us a bunch of keyboards. Not the kind of keyboards where you play music like the one behind me, but the ones that you use to type in words in your computer. Yep, we have a lot of those here. Actually sent us a bunch. Yeah, seriously a bunch. Okay, so today there's too much to use. I'll just pick one to open it up and unbox it and show you guys. Yeah, I also first time opening it, never tried before, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is the Alcatroz Airpad 1 wireless keyboard for smart TVs and computers. Comes in a very nice slim packaging, and this one is compatible with Mac and Windows. Some of the other keyboards, they can even be compatible with your phone, like Android or iOS phones and tablets, iPads. But for the one we're looking at today, this is only for computers. And look at the back here, you can see the full-size full keyboard, how it looks like. And this thing is priced at 79 ringgit, so it's very affordable for a wireless keyboard. And one more thing is, it actually comes with 2 years warranty, which is good. Some only comes with 1 year, this comes with 2 years. That is nice. And let's open it up and see. Okay, so first thing, you have the user manual. We're gonna put that away, not gonna read that. And this is the keyboard. Ta-da! Alright, so it comes in a plastic wrap, and it comes with two AAA batteries. And let's just put the box aside. So let's just put the batteries in. Where does the battery go? At the back here. And as you can see at the back here, you have the receiver, USB receiver to plug into your computer. So we're gonna plug this in to my computer, and I'm gonna put this battery. Okay, the on and off button is right here. Just slide to the on side, and basically it's on. So it's pretty easy, just plug and play. Now you see, it's working already. I can scroll up and down. So this is the touchpad, and you have left click, or you can right click. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, right now I'm currently at the Alcatroz website. You can check out all the other keyboards here. This is good for, let's say you have a PS4, you have a smart TV at home, you just want to chill at the back of the couch, which is very far from your computer, your source, let's say. So you can type in words, you can control the interface using the touchpad here. It's very good for just like, imagine myself at the couch at home, laying back, getting lazy, and just type in the search, whatever I want to watch. That maybe I want to watch Netflix and TV shows, I can just scroll around with this. Okay, so that's all for today's unboxing video of the Alcatroz Airpad 1 keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!